Good morning guys, and welcome to a vlog, which sounds so weird to say because I haven't vlogged in such a long time. Like, obviously I've been keeping up with my regular skincare videos like once, twice a week, maybe 3 times a week, but literally I haven't vlogged probably since the beginning of March. So I just thought it'd be a perfect opportunity today because it's such a beautiful day outside that I've got some PR packages to open as well, which I'll get into in a second. And this package is from Stylevana, which I am so incredibly excited about. I absolutely love Stylevana. They do Japanese and Korean skincare and beauty. They do makeup, they do even like clothing, if I'm not wrong in thinking. But you guys know that I absolutely love Stylevana. I did a huge Stylevana haul about a month ago on my channel. Yeah, I love Korean and Japanese skincare. I think the quality of the ingredients, but yet with the affordability, you just cannot beat it. And Stylevana just do some amazing prices and discounts all the time. I actually just realised I haven't got anything. Oh no, I do. That's like Edward Scissorhand, like creepy. Ooh, goodies. I love skincare goodies. And obviously, for full transparency for you guys, I obviously haven't, paid for these. They were very kindly sent to me. But first of all, we have the Make Prem Relief Moisture Mask, which is a safe skin mask that only contains ingredients good for your skin. And then next up, we have the Wash All Barrier Relief Cleanser by Olivarrier. I have absolutely no idea. I don't know, I'll link it in the description box down below anyway. But basically it is a organic sort of like weak acidic cleanser to promote a healthy skin barrier. So I'm really excited to try this out. And then the next product I have, which I'm so incredibly happy to have as a top up because I'm running out of my other one, is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50. PA+++++. We always have to get those pluses in, don't we? But you guys know I've even actually featured this in my morning skincare routine that I did last week. It is so good. It is so good. I absolutely love this sunscreen. Oh, perfect. And then to also, be on the topic of sunscreens, we have got my favourite one. So it's the Thank You Pharma Sun Project Water Sun Cream SPF 50 plus PA+++. And I've also got the PURITO Centella Unscented Serum. I do have the scented version, which works really well for my skin, but the scented version is quite powerful, just like their sunscreen. And when I did obviously purchase this, you guys know that I thought I got the unscented version instead of the scented one, blah blah blah. Anyway, I thankfully got the unscented one now, so I'm really excited to try that out. And PURITO is such a fantastic skincare brand. I then also got another one of these minis, so it's the Avocado Relief Cream. I just absolutely love it. They're so freaking cute. I absolutely love FRUDIA as well. They're a fantastic brand, and they've got some really fantastic skincare products out there. So that's all the little bits from Stylevana. So guys, I look a bit more presentable now, hopefully. So I've just stepped out of the shower and I thought it'd be a really good opportunity for me to show you some of the products that I opened yesterday from Juno & Co and also Stylevana, and just to sort of go through them in a routine. Obviously I mentioned that last night I was quite unwell and I lost a lot of sort of water content. Obviously I don't need to go into any more detail with that one. So I am feeling a bit dehydrated and quite tired, so I'm just going to really like plow my skin with nourishing and hydrating ingredients and really sort of soothing ingredients as well. And obviously with my diet today, I'm just going to eat very clean. I'm going to go in with the, I've sort of just come to the conclusion that we're just going to call it Olivarrier. So it's their Wash All Barrier Relief. I'm looking at the ingredients list on the back of the packaging. It's got loads and loads of nourishing ingredients like broccoli seed oil, jojoba seed oil, squalane, it's got Centella asiatica, it's got avocado oil, it's got ceramide MP, so it's really just going to sort of help to rebuild my skin barrier. I have patch tested all of these products that I'm using. So what I did after I filmed sort of my unboxing of PR, I either sort of like did a little patch test there or over my ear, and I've had no reaction. So it's sort of like a really nice foamy, lathery consistency, but not like overly foaming like a lot of foaming cleansers. And you can definitely smell the rose water in there. Recently I've been trying to sort of be a lot more gentle on my skin because, like, I know when I watch my footage back, especially in the past 2 routine videos I've done, is like I've sort of like been like this, and even though it doesn't feel like that for me and it doesn't feel rough, it's just probably because I've got, you know, quite a bit of elasticity. So just trying to be, you know, a bit more sort of gentle and considerate to my fragile skin. So I'm really impressed with the Olivarrier Wash All Barrier Relief Cleanser. My skin doesn't feel like overly stripped, but it feels really clean and soft. Like, oh, my finger down that area is so nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's like vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's Cosmos Organic certified. So definitely a bonus point if you are, you know, that type of customer that really looks out for products like that. So I'm going to go in with the PURITO Centella Unscented Serum. So obviously I did say yesterday that I do have the scented version, and I have tried that out a few times, so I know my skin will be absolutely happy with this. But if I just go through the ingredients, so it's got Centella Asiatica at 49%, it's got your water, your glycerin, it's got your butylene glycol in there, it's got your ceramide MP, sodium hyaluronate, it's got Asiatic acid, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, it's got 4 derivatives, well 4 different peptides anyway. Wow, this is a really good formula. Oh, and for the price, so cheap. So we're going to go on with this little gem. You cannot see it because it's light. Are you in focus? There we are. Yes, I'm not patch tested this because, guys, you know this is one of my favourite products ever. It was in my recent giveaway as well, with like the likes of the Inculus and the Ordinary. Oh, I miss this sunscreen so much. Oh, I just love it. I don't know why I love it so much. I just really do enjoy it. So that's the routine completed using some of the products I received in my PR packages yesterday. I really do hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and thank you if you've gotten this far in the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.